Welcome to the online training of Amazon EasyShip. In today's video, we will learn what is EasyShip, how to fulfill EasyShip orders, how to schedule EasyShip pickup, how to manage EasyShip returns. Let's start off talking about the shipping services available on Amazon. First one is FBA, that is Fulfillment by Amazon. FBA helps you increase chance of getting online sales by giving you access to Amazon's world-class fulfillment resource, fast, free delivery options for your products, and trusted and acclaimed customer service. Amazon will store your inventory, pick, pack, and ship orders to customers and provide customer service. Second one is Amazon EasyShip. Now, Amazon EasyShip is an end to end delivery service for sellers. All you need to do is keep your products packed and ready and let us manage the logistics and customer service. Third one is merchant fulfilled or the self shipment. Over here, sellers using their own courier channel to ship products to their customers, like for example, Blue Dart, DTDC, India Post, etc. Let's look into what is Amazon EasyShip. It is a service whereby orders are picked up from the seller's location by an Amazon logistics associate and delivered to the buyer's location with minimal efforts from the sellers. What are the steps that is involved under EasyShip? When the buyer places an order, seller schedules pickup for EasyShip orders. An Amazon associate picks up the order as per the scheduled time slot, and Amazon Logistics delivers orders to the customers. Let's understand the eligibility criteria to avail EasyShip. First one is the maximum supported package dimensions are 70 centimeters into 70 centimeters into 45 centimeters and weight up to 18 kgs. PIN code should be covered by Amazon for availing EasyShip services. The product should pass Amazon's dangerous goods reviews and the product clarifications need to be completed. You can enable EasyShip services by entering your pickup address under Settings, Account Information, and EasyShip Settings. Now let's talk about the EasyShip settings where you have to update the pickup address. From the Settings tab, you will have to go to the Account Information where you will get an option that says EasyShip Settings. Over here, you have to update your pickup address and your mobile number so that our logistics team can contact you. You can set the preferable pickup slot and package dimensions. You have to upload the signature used in the documents. How to fulfill EasyShip and self-ship orders. From the Seller Central homepage, you have a tab that says Orders. From the Orders drop-down, click on Manage Orders. This page shows all the orders that you have received on Amazon. Now, from the Actions column, if you find Schedule Pickup, this option appears when the PIN code of the buyer is covered by Amazon EasyShip and order is eligible for EasyShip pickup. Always remember to enter the weight and dimensions of the complete package. Select the pickup slot of your convenience. Amazon personnel can come anytime within the selected pickup slot. Be ready with your package well in advance. Non-readiness will lead to unnecessary delays. Check the total ship fees for the orders. Click on Schedule Pickup. Click on Print to get the shipping label and the tax invoice. We'll look into how to pack your orders. Amazon branded packaging. Now, Amazon sells branded packaging at a very competitive price on Amazon.in. It has high quality, it is used by existing sellers, and also improves your customer experience. Amazon branded packaging comprises of high quality poly bags, tapes, and corrugates. It's competitively priced. There's bulk discounts where you can buy more to save more. It helps you gain customer trust. It has been tried and tested by existing sellers. It's delivery at your doorstep. Now let's look into the generic packaging guidelines. Always remember to go through your packaging guidelines well before you start packing off your products. Amazon takes packaging very strictly, and so should you. Non adherence to these packaging guidelines may lead to a hit on your performance metrics, thereby, it could lead to account suspension. Now let's see how to fulfill self-ship orders. From the page where you've received all the orders, in the actions, if you see something called confirm shipment, this option appears when the PIN code of the buyer is not covered by Amazon EasyShip. The package weightage and dimensions are above the threshold value. The order should be self-shipped by third-party courier service. Ship the order by third-party carrier and enter the shipping method and the tracking ID and click on self-ship confirm shipment. Always remember to update the valid tracking ID so that the customers can track where their orders are. Now let's look into some of the best practices for EasyShip pickup. Provide complete address with a landmark. Also provide a valid contact number so that the associate can contact you if he is unable to locate your address. Schedule pickups only for the packages that will be ready for handover by the scheduled slot. Keep your packages ready before the start of the pickup slot. For example, if you have selected a 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. pickup slot, the packages have to be ready by 10 a.m. Do not ask the pickup associate to wait at your location. The associate has to visit multiple sellers in limited time and hence has been instructed not to wait at any location. Use good quality printer or ink to ensure a clear printout of the shipping label and paste it on top of the package. Do not resize or compress the size of the shipping label. If you are rescheduling pickup for any order from seller account, then you need to discard the old shipping label and reprint the new shipping label which is generated after scheduling. If you have changed your pickup address after scheduling the pickup for an order, do not use reschedule button for rescheduling pickup from new address. Instead, get the pickup cancelled at first using the form available on Seller Central. Change the pickup address and then schedule the pickup again. Let's look into how to schedule unshipped orders in bulk. In the unshipped order section under the Manage Orders page, select the orders for scheduling which you can hand over in a particular time slot. Then click on Schedule Pickup button. On the next page, enter the package weightage and dimensions for all the orders and select the required slot to schedule the pickups for EasyShip orders. Once scheduled, you may print the shipping labels or tax invoices for all of your orders. Let's talk about how to reschedule or cancel EasyShip pickup. On the Manage Orders page, click on Reschedule Pickup button for the orders you want to reschedule. In case of a pickup miss, Amazon will automatically reschedule the pickup to the next day, same slot. You can click to cancel orders or search for cancel EasyShip orders on the help section. How to set the shipping charges for your customers. On Seller Central from the Settings tab, click on Shipping Settings. Make sure to configure the shipping charges on EasyShip tab. Click on Edit and Continue. Select the shipping model and enter the shipping price per item or per weight accordingly. Let's learn what is guaranteed delivery and seller fulfilled prime. Guaranteed delivery. The EasyShip Guaranteed Delivery program helps you provide fast shipping option to eligible customers and communicates a clear delivery date, thereby improving customer experience. EasyShip Guaranteed Delivery program currently includes 1-day delivery and 2-day delivery. Only selected sellers that meet certain requirements are eligible to offer EasyShip Guarantee Delivery. Seller Fulfilled Prime. This program is currently by invitation and limited to high-performing guarantee delivery sellers. This will add Prime badge to your EasyShip offers. You will receive Prime orders only on EasyShip eligible items. Prime customers expect their packages to be delivered quickly. How to manage EasyShip order returns. Manage returns. Return requests will be automatically authorized for EasyShip orders which comes under the Amazon Runway return policy. For the orders which are not covered under the policy, sellers are required to authorize or cancel the return request. For returns, if the buyer's PIN code is covered by Amazon, buyer will be eligible for a return pickup, else buyer will self-ship the product using the third-party carrier. Shipping charges paid by the buyer on self-ship returns will be refunded by Amazon in accordance to Amazon.in